every day you eat. Instinctively, your body craves foods with bright colors and sweet flavors because historically they contain the nutrients that kept you alive. Today, processed food companies have hijacked those instincts with artificial colors and flavors that don't have the nutrients found in real food. They know it's cheaper to cook up some chemical frankenfood with synthetic ingredients than it is to naturally grow and harvest plants. The truth is, chemicals last longer on the shelves and are more addictive to our brains. And that's a bonus for profit-hungry processed food companies. They dictate what goes into our bodies every day, and the end result is our healthy food choices are severely limited. Luckily, there was a man who saw this food crisis coming more than 2 decades ago and has devoted his life to building a vertically integrated distribution system from farm to family that features the very best Mother Nature has to offer: whole food, raw food, organic, plant-powered, concentrated green superfoods. He examined the entire process from beginning to end. So if you want to know who grows your food, who blends it, who packs it, and who checks it every step of the way, then we need to start with the visionary who created Purium.
I knew something had to be done. This fast-paced, convenience-driven society had stopped putting a premium on the quality of food. And so I advised people, go to the health food store, seek natural alternatives. But when they did, they found that the same economic influences that were destroying the quality of food at the grocery store had also permeated into the natural food as well. It's driven by cost, convenience, and of course by those tastes and habits that Americans have become accustomed to. You know, it was scary. It was truly frightening to realize that when people wanted it, when they sought out the food that was pure and natural, that it was becoming increasingly difficult to find.
Thankfully, there is a different way, a natural way, a healthy way, the Purium way. Totally pure, all natural, whole foods, plants, fruits, extracts, and grains. Superfoods you won't find at your local store. Concentrated and dehydrated using a proprietary process that maintains the vital life force and the natural flavor. This is faster than fast food, healthier than synthetic vitamin supplements, and tastier than any cocktail of chemicals.
Our farming partners have been growing certified organic food for generations, and we select our farms for their geographical locations hundreds of miles away from any polluting industry. More importantly, every crop is harvested for peak nutritional potency and processed on-site using no heat and no preservatives. From our farm to your family, that's the way it should be.
Once these pure, fresh ingredients leave the farm, they arrive in the organically certified and kosher certified Purium facility in Long Beach, California, where they're blended, packaged, and then quickly sent out to families across North America and Europe.
Seed selection and partnering with family farmers, that's only the first step toward our dream of total vertical integration. Our philosophy was to control every step of the process, from the farm to your family. And the person that I trust, the person who carries out that dream and that vision every single day, is my business partner and my friend, Amy Venner.
I love my job as COO, but I love my job as a mom even more. Every decision we make at the company is based upon a simple principle. Is this something that I can proudly serve on my table at home? Tens of thousands of moms every day are counting on Dave and counting on me. My family is counting on us as well.
That's why Purium does things other companies just don't do. It starts with a 10-point purity commitment and a 10-point potency commitment. The name Purium is, in fact, a guaranteed commitment, pure and premium. Purium can make this commitment because we control every step of the process every day, formulating, blending, bottling, and quality checking, guaranteeing a better product at a better price every time. And it's this commitment to excellence that has earned the Long Beach facility the prestigious Good Manufacturing Processes certification and seal. But it's the people who make the Purium products truly special.
We've been part of this community for 23 years. In fact, our facility helped turn around this part of Long Beach. We're one of the fastest growing companies in Southern California, and we hire local people from the neighborhood and really give them a chance to succeed and advance.
Hi, my name's Anthony.
I'm Steve.
I'm Dolly.
I'm Miguel. I'm the lead guy for the tablets capsule area.
I'm Jerry.
I'm Rolando.
I work in the shipping and inventory department.
I'm Tiffany.
I'm Emmanuel.
I am Sergio.
I'm the shipping supervisor.
I've been here for 2 years. I work in the blending department.
Inventory control.
I've been here for 2 years.
3 years.
1 year.
I'm a machine operator.
I've been here 14 years.
I've been here 20 years.
3.5 years.
2 years.
And I just started.
You eat every day. So, every day you have a choice. Artificial or natural, franken-food or real food, global conglomerate or US based. Who grows your food? Who makes your food? Who checks your food? They say you are what you eat. What do you eat?
If you know others who might want to eat better, your family, friends, neighbors, or coworkers, join our mission. Join our movement, the Million Mom Movement. We're looking for 1,000 women in 100 communities who want to help 10 families eat cleaner and greener.
You know, it seems like just yesterday that we took the 10-day transformation out of Hollywood and introduced it to the world. And now tens of thousands of people have had their lives changed forever. And it started with the 10-day transformation, but it was their commitment to the Purium lifestyle that made all the difference. And that's a step that you could take today that will change your life forever.
It's time we take back our food supply. And it starts in our own homes. It starts with our own choices. There is a different way, a better way, the Purium way. From farm to family, changing lives.